students, how are you today?
Good morning, teacher. I am fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very good. Okay. Put the blanket, please. Come to me. Come to me. Good. Stand. Please. Okay. Let's start our lesson. Wish. Wish. Yes? Yes? Okay? It's a wish song. Okay? I wish you success. Good luck for all. Okay?
Wish luck, happiness, and good luck.
Wish you a good day and a good lesson.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
I wish you happiness. Thank you. I wish you good way in today's lesson. Thank you. I wish a good mood today.
Thank you. I wish you to be easy.
I wish you good grade.
Okay, thank you. Very good. But choose. It's the t-shirts. Choose these t-shirts, please. And the. Where? Hurry. Let's. Students, answer for my question, please. Do you want to be an engineer? Do you want to be an engineer? Engineer var değil mi? Yes. I want to be an engineer. Okay. If you want to be an engineer, let's divide it into groups, please. Divide it into groups, please. Dear students, today I want to assess your achievement with these dollars. If you want to be an engineer, you must collect this. Okay? Alright. I have a goal. At first, what was the learning task? What was the learning task? You can learn that.
Learn the new word.
Okay, very good. Today we play the game. This game is kicking the ball to the goal. Okay?
Okay.
At first, I ask some words in Kazakh, but you must answer these words.